Hey everybody, welcome back to another week of the FOGO channel. Hey, I'm here again with our good friend Tina Cannon. What's up, Tina?
Hey, y'all.
Hey y'all. All right. So who says that it's not going to rain today? The weathermen, right? Well, they lied. So we are going to power through and get through this in the rain for you because Get Maine Lobster sent us these awesome lobster tails. We are here to show you how to cook lobster and how to barbecue the right way with FOGO. In today's video, we're gonna cut these lobster tails in half. We're gonna cook them direct, and we're gonna make lobster rolls. Tina has her way, I have my way. We're gonna make two different kinds of lobster rolls just for you. All right, Tina, now, I know that you know, and I know, but we wanna thank our good friend Mark, all right, at Get Maine Lobster for sending us these beautiful tails. Guys, you can order fresh seafood.
Dock to doorstep.
Dock to doorstep, that's right. GetMaineLobster.com. There's a link below in the description. You can order fresh lobster. He sent scallops we ordered, all kinds of stuff. So go check out their website. They can send anything right to your home. Now, Tina,
Yes.
when we were talking about making this video, I said, let's make lobster rolls. You're like, oh, good, I love it with the garlic and the butter. I'm like,
Right.
wait, no, not lobster tails. We're gonna make lobster rolls.
Yes.
So I make my lobster rolls completely different. We found this out beforehand, of course, you know, but I make mine with celery and mayo and stuff like that. You just make yours plain with butter and garlic, right?
Garlic butter. That's all it needs.
But the one thing that we do have in common is the way that we cook our lobsters, right? So we're gonna cut them in half. We're gonna grill them direct, right?
Yes, grill them.
And then we're gonna make our own lobster rolls. So I say we waste no more time because it is raining. I wanna get through this as quickly as possible.
I'm hungry.
And I'm hungry too. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna cut these babies right in half, right down the middle, right?
Right, exactly.
Now what you wanna do, okay, after you cut them, is pull the meat kind of up out of the shell like this and then lay it back in. This way, when it's done cooking, it doesn't stick. Now, after you cut them in half like this, what you want to do is look, because there's always going to be, Tina calls it the mud vein. It's actually, it's the poop chute, all right? So you do want to get rid of that. Nobody, and I do mean nobody, wants to eat that, all right? Take it, get rid of it, throw it in the garbage. We're just gonna hit these right on the meat with some Tina Cannon's European blend.
Don't waste that. That's expensive. Wait.
It's amazing how when you have to supply this stuff, you're very, very cautious. Now, the good news is we cheated, all right? We have the grill already going from a previous cook. What we have in here right now is we got a direct setup using our briquettes charcoal, and we have a cast iron grate in here. All right, Tina, I'm gonna go put these ones back in the freezer. You wanna go ahead and put these on while I do that?
I sure am.
All right, so I'm gonna go put these in the refrigerator. So you know what that means?
To the refrigerator.
To the refrigerator!
So I'm gonna do them shell side down so that seasoning will sink right in. And when the shell turns bright red, they should be done. Never cook lobster over 140 degrees or to be chewy. So we're gonna put these on, shell down. And literally, it's only gonna take a few minutes with this direct grilling.
Now, for my lobster rolls, it's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be kind of similar to making tuna salad, really. So we're just gonna chop up our celery like that. Gives it a little crunch, add some texture to it. Not like that silly thing that Tina's making over there. I don't know what that is all about. And now I think our tails are cooked long enough that we can flip them over and just get a little char on the top side. Look at that beautiful color. Is that awesome looking or what? Yeah, baby. And that's it for the celery.
All right, well, while you're chopping, just chop my garlic for me.
I just did this. I'm done chopping.
No, go ahead.
But I did this already.
I'm your guest.
No, but I already did this.
Well, no.
Yeah, but
Here.
But
No.
I'm not gonna win this one, guys. All right. So what do you want? Kind of minced?
Yeah, mince it and
Okay.
put it in there.
Oh, in there too.
Yes.
This is very particular.
Yes.
Good Lord.
Now mince it fine.
That's fine. She's such an easy audience. I'm gonna come to your house and boss you around.
Okay. And then cut this in half.
I don't think she's taking me very seriously, folks. What do you guys think? That's pretty minced.
Okay.
All right, good. So we can take that, and you want that right in there.
I want half a stick of salted butter. No, whack it. Okay.
Don't boss me around, Tina. Lobster tails are done. Oh, look at that. See, this is what we wanted. We want to get that nice little extra bit of color on there. Ooh-wee. They are looking good, baby. All right, and there's our final tail. All right, I'm out of here.
You're out.
Tag team.
Tag. Now for my garlic butter, which is almost done since Ron took care of it for me. So it's the garlic. I got about 2 cloves, and I got a half a stick of salted butter and some European blend. Put it on the grill,
that.
and once that butter's melted, we're ready to go.
Cool. Now I'm going to start taking all of these right out of the shell because we're going to chop these up into pieces. You want yours chopped up too, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But make sure you don't get any of that mayonnaise on mine because I don't like mayonnaise.
Here.
No.
This one has mayonnaise on it. While Tina is taking care of her garlic butter and all like that, I'm going to assemble my lobster salad. So I'm going to take half of the lobster tail that we just cooked up. Okay. I'm going to hit it with some celery salt. Maybe for these 2 tails, I'm going to say maybe a half a teaspoon of celery salt, something like that. Not a lot. A couple sprinkles. And some mayonnaise. Now, here's the big thing. I've always been a mayonnaise guy. Hellman's. It's always been what I've eaten. But I have to say, I'm pretty hooked on Duke's right now. Man, it's pretty good. Then we're just going to load this up pretty good. And add a little Tina's European blend in there, just for the heck of it.
Smart idea.
Yep. Stuff is good. It's really good. I'll tell you that when she's not here, too. And, you know, you could do anything you want. You can add different stuff to this. It's the same as making tuna salad, so I like to add sometimes dill, like fresh dill, chop some up and put it in here. Oh, it's just like nice and refreshing. So we got some nice crunch with the celery. We got the celery salt in here. And that is a spoonful of heaven right there.
Ron, garlic butter's ready.
Okay, I'm right here. Okay, that's good. Ooh, you know what? We're going to do something cool with that garlic butter, too.
We are?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
I've got these beautiful buns here. No jokes, please. But you can see they have the nice sides on them. They're top split buns.
Okay.
They got the nice sides here. So let me see that brush. I'm going to borrow a little bit of your butter and hit each side of these.
Yeah.
Okay. And you know what I'm going to do? Drop it right on the grill. Give it some grill mark.
Toast it.
That's right. So we're going to toast our buns. So we're going to hit them with some butter on the sides. Okay.
Toasty buns.
Try not to spill too much of it in the fire. Okay. Same thing. All right, now what do we do now? You said you want all of this?
I want all that lobster meat put
Okay.
inside.
Oh, put it right in the butter.
Yes.
Whoa. You fancy.
Split those buns, baby. Watch your fingers.
Okay, I'm watching it.
Super hot.
God, that looks good. Oh my.
So which one would you rather have?
Mine, of course. We haven't even assembled mine
I'm
yet.
gonna tell you, mine's better.
Whatever.
Okay, watch this. So that leftover.
Oh, that's not fair. Come on now.
Fair. Yeah. All's fair in garlic and lobster.
Yeah, whatever. All right, now we're going to assemble mine. Okay, mine's simple, really. All we do, take a spoon, just load it right in here. This is kind of nice getting cold water tails because living down here in Florida, we get so many warm water lobsters, spiny lobsters, that these with the, that normally come with claws are a real nice treat for me to get here.
Yes.
Lobster tails, those look amazing. Good Lord. Like seriously, okay, I won't lie. So I'm so used to mine with the mayo and the celery and like that. But when you were pouring that garlic butter on there,
Yeah.
Tina.
It made you want one.
Yeah, it made me want one pretty badly. So, you know what? I think there's only one thing left to do.
Eat one.
Let's eat one, all right.
All right.
So I'm taking my first bite of mine
Okay.
first, okay?
All right.
Nice with the celery. Oh, look at that gorgeously cooked lobster. Cheers, big ears.
Ready? Ooh.
Come on. Good Lord.
You're gonna like mine better.
I don't know, man. That's pretty good.
And y'all, I would taste his, but I just can't do mayo. I can't do it.
I'll tell you what I do like about mine.
Mm.
Okay. I haven't tried yours yet, and I know it's going to be good.
Mm-hmm.
I like the texture difference that I get with the celery in it. That little bit of crunch in there, you know what I mean? But because I'm your friend and I trust you,
And you like butter.
and I what?
And you like butter.
I do like butter.
And garlic.
No, I love butter and garlic. Let's give it a whirl. That's pretty good too.
Oh,
You know, it's funny. That lobster tail, right? How different could it be? Two totally different ways of doing it. Cooked the same way, but finished off differently. I got to tell you, I know you can't taste the one with the mayo. It's freaking delicious too.
Yeah.
They're both really good. I mean, yours is lobster dinner on a roll.
right.
You know what I
exactly.
mean? Where mine's more like, say, maybe a lunchtime fare is what I would kind of think of that as. But they're both excellent. And I tell you what, the best thing we did was putting that butter on those buns and grilling those
Yes.
buns on little grill marks.
With the garlic butter.
Absolutely. Is there any other kind of tricks like that that you would like to do to the buns, or to do anything like, you know, anything else that you can share with them that might be a cool little tip or
So
something like that?
by dressing them with the garlic butter
Yep.
and then grilling them, it just adds like more flavor, like the toastiness
Yeah.
and the flavor of the grill.
Yep.
But like up in New England, they actually toast them like on a flat top.
Right.
But why not? We like to grill, so
Yeah.
we put them on the grill.
Yeah, and the grill marks, they look cool. You know, I mean, they really do look cool. And they actually add a little bit of texture to it too. Yeah. So it's really
Firms
nice.
up the bread so it doesn't fall apart.
Yeah. You know what I kind of come up at the conclusion of is that either way you go, you're not going to lose out here. They're both really good. She doesn't eat mayo, otherwise she would try it. She doesn't have to. That's okay. I'm going to eat both of them. Actually, the family's over there. Look at them. They're at the glass door. Look. Anyway, guys, this is lobster rolls, all right? It's really simple. There's not a lot to it. It's grilled lobster, okay? Do it how you want. Like I said before, I like to squeeze lemon juice or lime juice over my lobsters, let it sit for a while. Have at it, you know. What am I looking to say here is like
It's
make it your own.
delicious.
You know, yeah, it's delicious, but make it your own, you know what I mean? Add your own flavorings. Do whatever you like. So this is the way I like them. That celery salt is key on this one, though, for me. Anyway, so guys, as always, I'm going to finish off the same way, okay? Subscribe to our channel. Come join us. Come join us and join our FOGO family, all right? You want to get these beautiful lobster rolls. I know that you can hit Get Maine Lobster. I wanted to throw in one more plug to Mark because he has just phenomenal product. This stuff is so good. The lobster was so sweet. And thank you, Mark. We appreciate you.
You order today, from their dock to your doorstep tomorrow.
That's right. It's really fast. So anyway, that's everything we got. Tina, I want to thank you so much. I've really had a great time making these videos with you. You're always such a great host to have. Thank
I brought
you.
the cold weather with me.
You did bring the cold weather with you. That's not very nice. We like it warm here in South Florida, okay? But her house is covered in snow today up outside of Atlanta. So
Right.
I think she'd rather be here in the
better
rain.
here,
Yeah,
yes.
I know. We're like, ooh, it's raining. Yeah, it's raining. Anyway, that's everything, guys. Give us a thumbs up on the video. Make sure you hit the like, okay? It's important for us. We need that, all right? Leave us a comment down below. Tell us, which one do you like better? You like spiny lobster? Do you like cold water lobster? Do you like warm water lobster? Do you like no lobster? Tell us. We want to know what you like, all right? And that's all we got for this week. So remember to get out and grill, all right? We'll see you the next time on the FOGO channel. Captain Ron?
And Tina.
Yep. Out.